Anyways, so what you can do is start listening, or start watching English content. And I'm not saying that start watching, English movies or English series, because that would be a little advanced. And what I'm suggesting is that, like, start watching cartoons, in English, because I know it sounds really weird. Like, if you are a grown up now, and, like, how am I supposed to watch cartoon when I'm a teenager, or I'm a grown up or adult? So it's not like that, because the thing is that you are a learner, you know so and you have to remove this factor from your mind, that, like, age doesn't matter over here. Like, when it comes to learning, it doesn't matter. Like, whatever, like, no matter what you are learning. So if you're learning guitar, or if you're learning any skill, so if you think that, like, I am at this age, like, how am I supposed to learn, do this or and do that, so you are not gonna learn anything. So the first thing that you have to eradicate from your mind is that, like, how am I supposed to watch cartoons when I'm grown up or adult? So I did, I watched cartoons. I started from the animations, so just start watching English cartoon. Like, this is where you would find the very basic English, because the cartoons are made up for childs and kids. So, and there they use very really basic English. And you can watch cartoons, and you can learn lots of things. So start from there. Just dedicate 2 to 3 months over there. Like, yeah, 2 to 3, at least 2 months, because you will, you can grasp the accent. You can acquire so many vocabularies, and you can basically you can you can form your understanding, and it happens now, like, when you start watching something in English language, then you have a uh, you start kind of you have a hard time understanding those things. You cannot you can't get your you cannot wrap your head it happens that you cannot wrap your head around what though the people are speaking, because this is so foreign to you, so that the English is not something that you are used to. So first you have to be used to English. Start listening. Like, if you think that 2 months are uh, a lot, but then you can at least watch for 1 month, and you would see drastic changes in your English speaking or in your understanding. And then you can jump onto podcasts, and then movies and series. So that, after that, you can go anywhere. And another thing that is that, start speaking, because speaking, like, speaking comes from speaking, right? If you want to speaking any if you want to speak English language, then how are you supposed to learn or speak English? So first, to speak English, you have to speak English, right? So now you must be kind of thinking, like, like where can I speak in, who I can I speak with. So this is the most obvious or common question that uh, pops up in beginners head, because I also had this doubt in my mind. Like, when I started my English journey, I had this doubt, like, actually, this was a kind of problem to me, and kind of obstacle for me. Like, I wasn't finding anyone to talk with, and it is really difficult. And if you don't have anyone to talk with, then how are you supposed to learn English language? And you cannot learn English language without speaking with anyone. So that's where apps come in, or that's where the apps come into the picture. Like, you can there are so many, or there are bunch of platforms or application over there on Play Store. You can download any of them, and you, on those applications you can talk to the people, from different region or from different states, so you would enjoy a lot and just start speaking actually. So like I have I'm also using peer up, and there is another application Ace Fluency. You can install those application in your mobile, and then start talking to the people, and don't think that like I'm a beginner and how am I supposed to speak English. Just remove and throw these thought out of your head, because like if you have these thoughts, like you cannot learn this language. You have to you know remove them completely. You have to throw them out of your head completely, and then only you would be able to learn this language, right? Start speaking with the people. Install the application which I have just mentioned, like Peer Up or Ace Fluency. Start speaking with the people, and doesn't matter like what kind of English you are speaking. Like if even if it is broken, chalega bhai sab. So start with the broken English as well. If you and if you have any friend, right, if you have any friend, then you can talk with him in English, and and just and tell him or her that how important this language is, and make him understand that English is really important language, and then you both can start speaking with one another. So this is really important, right? And yeah, this is it. This is what I wanted to share in this video, and I've spoken quite a lot, right? And thank you for giving such a good response in my previous video, and I'm thankful for that, because I had uploaded that video after a very long time, like after 2 months I have uploaded that video, and that video got really good views, and I wasn't expecting that much views actually, right? Like of course, like my views and likes are not my priority right here. My priority is just to be consistent on YouTube and start uploading videos, and this is my priority. And along with that, if I can help you even a little, that would be a lot for me, right? So thank you guys for being here, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.